Keep it tight. And Christian's got a rainbow on. Look at me. Pull your rod towards Daddy this way, nice and slow. Bring it up and reel down towards it. Reel down towards it. You got to keep the line tight. Keep reeling towards me. Keep reeling towards me. And yes, and okay. Keep pushing towards me and reel down towards it. Push towards me and reel down towards it.
Daddy, this does not feel like a trout. It's fighting really hard.
Whoa! Keep your rod up. Keep your rod up. Let the reel draw the rod down. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Woo. Keep going. Right up and over there. Yeah, right there. Look at that, baby. Woo.